Ending on a high note. Mastering the art of farewells. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's both uplifting and insightful. Leaving on a high note. Understanding this expression can add a beautiful layer to your English conversations, and we're here to unpack its meaning, usage, and the magic behind it. So, let's get started and make your English learning journey a bit more joyful. Leaving on a high note is an idiomatic expression that paints a vivid picture using the world of music as its backdrop. Imagine a song that ends with a powerful, uplifting note, leaving the audience feeling inspired and moved. Similarly, when we talk about leaving an event, a job, or any situation on a high note, we're referring to ending things positively, memorably, and with a sense of accomplishment. It's about creating a lasting, positive impression right before departure. This versatile phrase finds its way into various contexts. In the workplace, when an employee completes a successful project or retires after a successful career, they are said to be leaving on a high note. In social situations, ending a party or gathering with a fun activity or heartfelt goodbye can be considered leaving it on a high note. In performances, artists aim to finish their shows with a powerful finale, literally leaving on a high note. Understanding where and how to use this phrase can greatly enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and expressive. Let's see the phrase in action. After winning the championship, the coach decided it was the perfect time to retire, leaving on a high note. She ended the presentation with her most impressive achievement, leaving on a high note. The final scene of the play was breathtaking, ensuring the audience left on a high note. These examples show how this phrase can be applied in various situations, emphasizing a successful or positive ending. Leaving on a high note is more than just an expression. It's a powerful reminder to strive for positive endings and lasting impressions. Whether in work, social settings, or personal achievements, ending on a high note leaves a trail of positivity and fond memories. We hope this exploration adds a new dimension to your English vocabulary and inspires you to create your own high note endings. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English with us. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.